Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, today's lecture we will discuss about software process and project metrics. यानी सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोसेस किस तरह से होता है और इसका जो प्रोजेक्ट के मैट्रिक्स हैं वो किस तरह से हैं, इसके हवाले से हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज के लेक्चर में. Everyone asks these questions, how do I identify the problem? बल्कि हर कोई क्वेश्चन करता है कि हम किस तरह से एक प्रॉब्लम को जो है ना वो सॉल्व करते हैं. So this answer is measure your process. ये जो आपका आंसर है ये आपका प्रोसेस को मेजर करता है. Measurement helps in identification of the problem as well as determining the effective of the remedy. Measurement is fundamental for providing mechanisms for objects evaluations of any process activity according to Lord Kelvin. When you can measure what you are speaking about, the express it in numbers, you know something about it. But when you cannot measure, when you cannot express it in numbers, your knowledge is of a meager and unsatisfactory kind. It may be the beginning of knowledge, but you have scarcely in your thoughts advanced to the stage of the science. In order to understand what your problem are, you need to measure. Only then remedy can be applied. Take the example of a doctor. He measured and noticed different types of reading from a patient: temperature, heartbeat, blood pressure, blood chemistry. Before proposing a medicine, after giving the medicine, the doctor monitors the effects of like this all measure metrics and indicators. Before we can talk about the measurement process, we first need to understand the terms measure, metrics and indicators. The terms measurement and metrics are often used interchangeable, but there are significant differences among them within the software engineering domain. The measure provides a quantitative value of some attribute of a process or product. For example, size is one measure of a software product. Measurement is the process or mechanism through which the measure is taken. For example, FP analysis is a mechanism to measure the size of the software like the solar. Next आ जाएगा जी metrics for software quality. The most important objective of any engineering activity is to produce high quality product with limited resources and time. The quality of the product cannot be determined if it is measured. The quality of the end result depends upon the quality of the intermediate product. If the requirements, design code and testing functions are of high quality, then the chance that the end product will also be of good quality. So a good software engineering would adopt mechanisms to measure the quality of the analysis and design model the resources like that is. Okay? Action number 13, software quality factors. Software